What is the world's major currency? It is still the US dollar, which accounts for 2/3 of all of the world's exchange reserves. The Lord warned us not to damage the oil and the wine. Revelation 6. The world currency, the US petrodollar, exists because of OPEC's agreement in 1991 to exchange the world's oil only in US dollars. Because the world exchange currency presently is in petrodollars, our government and nation can essentially produce paper currency and receive imports at no cost. In 1999, Europe wanted to compete against the US dollar with their own oil currency, and thus introduced the euro, which would compete against the US dollar. Thus, a major means for other countries to compete against the US dollar was to convert their exchange currency of oil from US dollars into euros. In November 2000, Saddam Hussein decided to attack the US economy in retaliation for Desert Storm by converting Iraq's oil exchange into euros. This caused a significant decrease in the US dollar, and OPEC was threatening to follow suit. Iran would subsequently follow Saddam's footsteps by converting their oil currency into euros.
Because of the threat to our petrodollar, the US took it into their own hands to put sanctions on Iran and to nefariously attack Iraq under the tutelage of Bush and Cheney in 2003. By destroying Iraq, Bush and Cheney were temporarily able to conserve the hegemony of the US petrodollar. But now we must pay for the consequences of their satanic misdeeds. For as the Lord warned us, do not damage the oil and the wine. Revelation 6, verse 6.